What is NFT, non-fungible token? A non-fungible token, NFT, is a type of digital asset that represents ownership or proof of authenticity of a unique item or piece of content, such as a piece of artwork, music, video, or collectible. Unlike fungible tokens, such as cryptocurrencies, which are interchangeable and have the same value, each NFT is unique and cannot be replicated or exchanged for another NFT. NFTs have gained a lot of attention recently, with several high-profile sales of NFT artwork fetching millions of dollars. For example, a digital artwork by the artist Beeple sold for $69 million at an auction in March 2021. This has led many people to wonder what NFTs are and why they are so valuable. To understand the value of NFTs, it is important to understand how they work. NFTs use blockchain technology to store information about ownership and provenance. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. When a digital asset is turned into an NFT, a unique digital token is created on the blockchain that represents ownership of that asset. This token contains information about the asset, such as its title, description, and provenance, and can be transferred between owners just like any other type of property. The blockchain ensures that each NFT is unique and cannot be replicated. This means that if someone tries to copy an NFT, it will not have the same value as the original, because it does not have the same provenance or ownership history. The blockchain also ensures that the ownership of an NFT can be verified and authenticated, making it possible for buyers to prove that they own a particular asset and for creators to prove that they are the original creators of the asset. NFTs have become popular in the art world because they offer a way for artists to sell their digital artwork as unique and valuable items. Before the advent of NFTs, digital artwork could be easily copied and distributed without any way for the original artist to prove ownership or receive payment for their work. With NFTs, artists can create unique digital tokens that represent ownership of their artwork, and sell these tokens to collectors in the same way that physical artwork is sold. The blockchain ensures that the ownership of the artwork is transparent and verifiable, and the scarcity of the NFT adds value to the artwork as a collectible. NFTs are not just limited to the art world, however. They are being used in other industries, such as sports, gaming, and music. For example, in sports, NFTs can be used to represent unique moments in a game, such as a winning goal or a record-breaking performance. These moments can be turned into NFTs that are sold to collectors, who can then prove ownership of the moment and trade it with other collectors. In gaming, NFTs can be used to represent rare items or characters within a game. These NFTs can be traded between players, and their scarcity can add value to the game itself. In music, NFTs can be used to represent ownership of unique recordings or concert tickets, giving fans a way to own a piece of their favorite artist's work. While NFTs offer many benefits, there are also some potential downsides to consider. One concern is that the high value of some NFTs could lead to a speculative bubble, where prices are driven up beyond their true value. Another concern is that NFTs could be used for fraudulent activities, such as creating fake NFTs or using NFTs to launder money. It is important for buyers and sellers to be aware of these risks and to take steps to mitigate them, such as verifying the authenticity of an NFT and conducting transactions through reputable platforms.